Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby. And in today's video, I want to show you a centerpiece that I bought. And I paid $10 for it. And one of the reasons why I liked this centerpiece is because of the 3 candle holders. And you know, anytime that I'm decorating, I'm always trying to find things and find ways that I can decorate my home with houseplants. So this centerpiece here is just going to be another way that I decorate my home with houseplants. It's easy to decorate this because I left the greenery. I am going to be adding some more greenery to make it fuller. And then I'm going to be adding other things like ribbons and different types of faux plants that I'm going to be adding. And I'm going to show you some of the plants that I've already bought. I bought some roses that came in a bundle from Dollar Tree, and here's someone right there. And it came in a bundle, and see how I separated them right there. I bought the red ones, and I bought some rose pink ones, and some pink and white, and I bought some white ones. And I think that's all the faux plants that I'm going to be placing, you know, on this centerpiece. Of course, I'm going to be placing ribbons, and I haven't bought the ribbons yet, but I am about to go and get the ribbons, and I'll show you the ribbons as soon as I get them. So that's it right now. So just stay tuned as I decorate this centerpiece, redecorate this centerpiece with houseplants. Okay guys, I just wanted to come and show you how the centerpiece looks right now since I've added the roses. Okay, I think it's pretty nice. I don't think that I'm going to add any more roses, and I added some red ones, some pink and white roses, and a few little flowers there, look like baby breath flowers. And that's how it looks so far. So stay tuned stay tuned. I'm going to add a few other things before I place the houseplants in those 3 candle holders. Okay guys, the next step, I'm going to possibly add some pine cones that I painted myself. I just put a little white paint on it. And here's some pine cones I've had for a while. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to use all of these, or I'm going to use maybe a couple, maybe about 4 or 5 of them. I don't know, but I'll decide in a little while. So I just want to come back on here and show you the pine cones that I'm about to add to the centerpiece. So just stay tuned. Okay guys, I just want to come back and show you how I progressed with redesigning this centerpiece. And I've added some pine cones, and I added about 4 or 5, I added 6, I think, pine cones that's gold, that's painted gold. And I added about maybe 6 of the pine cones that I painted white. And I think it's nice and pretty. And I'll come back and let you see the entire centerpiece once I finish it. And I'm going to add a few more things, and I'll be back to show you how I progress. Okay guys, next I'm going to be adding some ribbons. And I have some pink burlap ribbon and some red ribbons, And this right here is red and white. I think it has a little pink in it. And I'm going to be adding just a small amount of ribbon. I'm not going to add a lot of ribbon. Okay, that's what I'm going to be doing next. And I'll be back in a little while to show you how it looks. Okay, guys, what I did was I cut the ribbons, and I cut that size right there 8 times, and I cut that one right there 8 times, and you see here they are there they are. And now I'm just getting ready to make little bows and just place them around the centerpiece. So just hold on, I'm gonna show you. When I make one, I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks. Hold on. Okay, guys, I have the ribbon cut, and see how they did the ends of the ribbons. And so I'm going to be taking the ribbon and I'm going to be placing it onto the centerpiece. So just stay tuned. Okay, guys, this is how the ribbons look. I just took one of these little things that you use, a little wire or something, just to take the ribbons and tie them together in the center. And that's all. And you want to make sure that if you're going to use 2 ribbons, that one of the ribbons is shorter than the other, and put the shorter one in front and tie them together in the center. And the only thing you need to do then is just find a place on the centerpiece and place them in there and put a rose in front of it. So let me show you one that I've already done. Right there. See, I just took it and folded it in and put the rose right in front of it. And it's just that simple. Okay, guys. So I have some more I need to do. And I will come back with the final results so you can see the reveal shortly. So just stay tuned. Okay, guys, here it is, the reveal. My beautiful centerpiece that's going in my living room on my coffee table. I'm going to be using this centerpiece for the rest of the winter and probably even into the spring of the year. And I might just change out the 3 plants, house plants. And I placed 3 house plants, the Dracaena, the lemon lime Dracaena on the left side, and a lemon lime Dracaena on the right side. And in the center, I placed a Lime Light plant, and it is beautiful. I love this centerpiece. I redesigned it, as you all saw from the beginning. And now I'm just going to pan it around and let you all see it. So enjoy watching. Okay, guys, that's it. I've panned all the way around to let you see it. And I hope you enjoyed watching. And I would like for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you've already subscribed, I want to thank you very much for subscribing. I ask that you please comment, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. And remember that God is good all the time. See you in the next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.